Them never know some tough like this. Some Amaziyah the Great, I write stuff like this. Poems with meaning, not too much hypeness. Get a greatness full of politeness. No time for your cuss like woo when you see me on TikTok or YouTube. I must niceness. Facebook, feel the vibes and my verbs. You hear nothing like this. Pay attention closely. Global hit. What go on, my people? What go on? Them for know it's artist Craig Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. Make no mistake. Go look out and check the book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. A very important book for you to get. So go and go take a look and don't forget. Don't Cry. Available on Amazon. Now, with all of that said, I have a video out and I'm asking you to please go on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Great Amaziyah. My name is Pam by Amaziyah the Great. You know, I did that video officially some years ago and I remade the whole vibe over. So, give it some support, give it some love, do some comments, do some share, do some likes and send it go globally. You get what I say? So, with all of that said, I got to say maximum respect to all you people who been supporting Amaziyah the Great over the years. All of the people who did over the years showing that they care. You get what I say? Because in this world, in this life, we have some people who they're pretending like they're real but they're not. And the minute you reveal the truth about yourself, in their opinions, they might think you are lying because you are bold and upfront, directly stating, this is me, this is what I dislike, this is what I like. Some people will even get offended for the things that you don't like and wondering why is it that you don't like what they like. But we all have choices. And that's what I keep telling people. Don't be upset because I don't like that iron over there, and don't get upset because I like that tree over there. Just understand, so if me decide say I don't like that iron, I just don't like the iron. If I love the trees, I love the trees. I hug the trees. I feel good with the trees. So, all right, let me ease up off of too much of the trees. The last time I told, okay, let's not get there. Because I don't want other people to think, say, you know, it's a crazy situation. But in our go on, we have to just spread love and unity across the globe and emphasize people for the, you know, positive stuff, you know, positive energy, you know, make we live a positive lifestyle. I was nominated. Big up to the whole Sona Patisukir team and the whole, you know, Nigerian entertainment fraternity, Cheetah's Paradise Entertainment. Maximum respect. So yes, I have been nominated to be awarded or be among of some persons who should be awarded. It's their first award show in Nigeria, and there are a lot of Nigerian persons involved, you know, actors and actresses and, you know, celebrities. Burna Boy, I was told. Some other names I don't remember at the moment, but for the Jamaicans who were nominated, yes, me, of course, Amaziyah the Great. Please go vote for me, you know, best poet, because my poetry speaks volume. Among the list of Jamaicans are Spice is there, Vybz Kartel is there, Oliver Samuel is there, Chanel Moore is there, just to name a few. Soul Flow TV, a vlogger, I think, is there also. Sona Patterson is there. Go check it out. A link will be in this description. So please don't hesitate to vote. I want to say thanks to all the people who been supporting, who been motivating. You get what I say? I got to give shout outs to Jillian Murray. I gotta give shout outs to Baby Girl. I gotta give shout outs to Rastakura, Rastatiba. And do not miss Ras Takura this poem event. I have some events coming up, but they're not dated yet. But I have some events, so please do be on the lookout for that. I'll keep you people posted. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. Follow me on TikTok at Artist Craig Kirkland. Before I go, because this is just, a small video for reminding us, say, keep tuning in to Wagwan. Let you people know what's happening. My website in a construction as we speak. So Great Amazement World. That's the website. And that's what's up. So persons can soon, well, you can. It's officially live, but it's still under construction. So that's what's up. That's the story. Big respect to my kids, Naisha, Johnny. Big ups to Hakeem. Big up to their mom. Big up to everybody who've been doing me greatness. Big up to my mom, my parents, my father. The book is dedicated to my kids and my parents. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Remember, do go check it out. It's available on Amazon. And if you are between New York to Rhode Island to Connecticut to Massachusetts, feel free to holler at me. I can do a personal signing. Because I'm in another circle. I'm in the tri-state to this state. You get me? Don't make no mistake. So this is great. Big respect to all them people in Rhode Island who, part of it poetry are one of them who've been giving me links to many, many, many other poetry events. And it was there where I first did a performance. And then the whole thing are going great. Boston Jerk Fest. You don't know. It's coming July 7 to 8. Of course, Amaziyah the Great. Can't wait. Yes, forget there, I not hesitate. Yeah, so make it a date and don't be late. So big respect to Nicole and the whole team. You get what I say? What else did I for update with? I can't even remember at the moment. But you don't know. More and give a shout out. When I say I can give a shout out list again. I have some people, and if you're not hearing the name, feel not offended because this is not something that written down or I read off or something. This is something where I just mention. Start off back with Jill and Murray. She always been supporting, still supporting. Michelle Henry, maximum respect. You get me? Verona, Coach Verona, maximum respect and whole heap of love. You get me? And I start off in a foreign first, I soon touch yard. Alright. So I say Michelle, I say Verona, I say Jill and Murray, I say Tracy Ann. You know yourself, Tracy Diamond, maximum respect and whole heap of love. Who else again for the top 5? There are top 5 people. Them then on my book, so you can take a look. But as I say, I don't remember everybody. I touch a yard and I say, big respect to Karen. You get to me and say, who are Karen again? Karen, ever ready sister. Ever ready big up herself. Maximum respect. Karen always been a support greatness. You get me and say, and she always be watching my stuff. So kudos goes out to Karen. You get me? Big up to the whole JNN team. Carlington Parker and everybody big up on yourself, you know what I mean? So the big up type of vibration, this me still gonna drop a poem before me roll out. Big respect to all of the people that in a red pan. Fraser's Content, the whole of John's Road, Featherbed Lane, whole of a road. You get what I say? The whole of Spanish Town, where they are the greatness, the whole of St. Catherine, the whole of Portmore, the whole of downtown, Kingston, all about round town, the whole Jamaica. Everybody down there big up on yourself, because you don't know me say me they are represent greatness. I will not stop because I keep going and going like that Energizer Bunny. We go hard for a while and not do nothing funny. Going and going like the Energizer Bunny. When my work give me my pay and I make me knock you out for my money. Cause enough time I work until me sweat and me not really get my share. The pressure get intense, just the tears in them eyes here. I want dumpling me get and with me pitting them high share, me trod it barefoot or when me can buy a Nike here. Tell them precisely get the youth, stay focused and go for your dream, no matter how it may seem. Never stop, because we are the definition of what real hardcore garrison is. And we never stray, no day. To Almighty God we pray, and we still pursue on the positive way. Tell them precisely, great ways the gateway while the sunshine we make air. We never stop. So stay focused and load the Glocks, load the knives, load the war, load the crime. Positivity with the peace over crime every time. Just some more, big up yourself, enough respect. All of the warriors, them wise words. Mark, Ross, Dawid, St. Arbin. You don't know, the journey continue, it never stop. You get what I'm saying? But enough of the chat. I'm going to drop a poem for our children to know. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit you can create. You'll encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop. Aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay awake, filling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, me no discuss and I mix up, me no partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders, all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. Notice this face, me no lip trace. I will never disgrace my people for position where them power in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. That is what in the book. And as me said, name Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Look out for the book, it's on Amazon. The title, Don't Cry, I dedicated it to my kids and my parents. So I'm going to drop that one there real quick. Mama, don't cry, I'm going to make this work. Never stop praying for us even when you're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom, inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen to this, I will not quit even if me have to keep crawling in the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry, you tried to make things work. You're my first hero, you motivate me to serve. Son about the ball thinking I failed. Dad, I value your worth. You inspired me immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry. They never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merch. Not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many people depended on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm going to break this generational curse. Don't cry. Tell them precisely. So please remember, do look out and check the book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. So big up on yourself. I actually do my new book now. The new book, so look out for that. My fans made me write this. Rala and the whole team, everybody who did up on the live there. Big respect to everybody who participated and tell me, say, yo, put out the book. So I put myself in a challenge to complete the book within a month. Unfortunately, it never done so easy. I've only done 20 poems thus far. And hoping to complete by April, and hoping the book will be ready by May 7th, which is my birthday. So it will be an interesting thing to complete on that before that. So, if you want to feel like you want to come, gift me special, you can just purchase the book. It's a great gift. It's a gift from me to you, and it's a gift from you to me. My fans made me write this. Look out for it. Final poem before I go. Sick. As a matter of fact, I might do 2 before I go, because after I do Sick, I cannot do poems and not do one for the ladies. So let me do Sick first. I am sick, no jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If I never social media, you would have never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick without my life now seems to sparkle. I'm sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. What Johnny hear me grumbling in the bathroom and ask Daddy, who you argue? I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. Sick and confused, fake education. Amaziyah the great views. We're living among a sick generation. Tell them precisely. Please do go check out my poem video. My name is Pam. Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully plus a sour, selfish guy. Go check it out. We're not getting no more. The video is there for sure. It will be in this video. It will be somewhere up there. It would be in. It will be on my channel. So just go and go check it out on the panel. The final one before me roll out now. This one is called the Holiday Inn. Okay, for the ladies. I spent a few days of my holiday in the Holiday Inn while I was all the way in her. We took warm shower together. She gripped me tighter, precisely, nicely. I whispered soft words in her ear, telling her how much I care, and she called me God. But no, I was more like Moses as I stretched forth my rod. Damn, she was sexy. Her body impressed me. Beautiful like the ocean's wave. I was gliding like I was on a jet ski. Round 2. See, we exited the bathroom to the bed. She opened and spread, uttered these words and said, honey, I want you to kick me with your big Timberland boots, knock me out till I'm dead. I was like, baby, calm down. Can't I be gentle instead? But before me could have done chat, it was like Mortal Kombat. She said, come here, I'm gonna finish you, Craig. On top of me bouncing blissfully like a happy kangaroo. My girl, are you a win? That's why I honor you. You know the Twitter and our IG, but let me tell her precisely, you know how to TikTok. That's why I follow you. Like and share. Tell them precisely. Drop a comment if you like. Great ways to get to be about the sunshine to make air precisely.